Warm greetings. Today, in this session, we will be seeing about fabric construction, which means understanding the foundation of printed textiles. So, before that, let me introduce myself. I am Kavipriya, Assistant Professor, Department of Costume Design and Fashion, Dr. SNS, Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, we will seeing about woven fabrics, knitted fabrics, and non-wovens. So, first, fabric construction refers to the way fibers and yarns are assembled to create fabric. It plays a crucial role in determining not only the look, feel, and performance of the fabric but also its printability. When we talk about woven fabrics are made by interlacing two set of yarns, warp lengthwise and weft it is called as crosswise at right angles. Types include plain weave, twill, and satin. Characteristics are it is stable, less stretchy, strong edges. So the impact on printing is it is easier to print on because they are dimensionally stable. When we talk about knitted are made by looping yarns together, which gives them stretch and flexibility. The types of knitted fabrics are like weft knits, jersey, and warp knits also. Two type of knits, warp knits and weft knits. When we talk about characteristics, its characteristics are it is soft, stretchy, and drapes well. And the impact on printing is it is more challenging to print because they are less stable and more elastic. During printing, the fabric may shift or distort, affecting registration and clarity. Commonly, it is used as an t-shirt, leggings, and sportswear. When we talk about non-woven fabrics, they are made by bonding or felting fibers together, not by weaving or knitting. It is used in disposable items, filters, and technical textiles, and it can be printed, but the texture and absorbency may vary widely. When we talk about surface texture and printability, another major factor is the surface of the fabric. Smooth, flat surfaces allow for sharp, clear, and detailed prints, whereas textured surface can cause breaks or unevenness in the design. Some examples of flat surfaced fabrics are poplin, percale, and satin. These fabrics accept fine prints and intricate patterns as well, often used for apparel, bedding, and decorative textiles. When we talk about pile fabrics, some examples of pile or terry cloth, mostly used in bath towels. So next is comparison between dyeing and printing. So when we talk about dyeing, it has an uniform application on both sides of the fabric surface with single color only when we talk about dyeing. But in printing, it is opposite. It uses single or multicolor application on one side of the fabric at selected portions only. And dyes are applied in dilute form, and in printing, dyes are applied in paste form. In fabric preparation, half bleaching is enough, but in printing, full bleaching with optical whitener is necessary. When we talk about color penetration, in dyeing, the color penetrates through the fabric, and in printing, the color is applied only on the surface of the fabric, which means on the top layer of the fabric. In backside, we can't see any colors, unlike printing. I'm sorry, unlike dyeing. In dyeing, we both front and back side of the fabric will be same, but in printing, the color is up as it is. The color is applied only on the surface. We can only see the colors on the top surface. When we talk about dyeing, it requires more time and it's also done in batch application. Generally takes longer with higher water and energy consumption, but in printing often faster for producing patterns with less water used. And when we talk about flexibility, it is less flexible. Dyeing is less flexible for multiple colors or complex designs. And it is highly flexible, supports multicolor and detailed designs easily. So when we talk about production volume, usually suited for large runs due to continuous process, whereas printing can be used for both large scale and small scale custom printing. And when its applications are in basic coloration, solid colors, and dyed fabrics, whereas in printing, fashion prints, upholstery patterns, home textiles, and customized designs also. So when we are summarizing about dyeing and printing, dyeing colors the entire fabric uniformly, ideal for solid colors and large scale production, while as printing adds designs and colors selectively on fabric surface, allowing for creativity and complexity. So these are the differences between dyeing and printing. So in this session, we have seen about the fabric construction and comparison between dyeing and printing. In next video, we'll be seeing about another topic.